Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's collab with STYLEVANA. Do you want to know which products I'm going to be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my January 2022 collab with STYLEVANA just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I have several different products to use for January 2022. That sounds so weird, but here we are. Yes, we are. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm really excited. So the first thing that I am seeing is these clear spot patches. I absolutely love these, and I always tell you guys, whenever you kind of feel like there's a pimple coming on, I do break out, especially like right here during my monthly situation. So I love having these around. There's several different brands and they all work amazing. So I'm really excited to use this one, but I absolutely love pimple patches. Like I said, as soon as you start seeing something going on, you just put it over it, go to bed. It does its thing while you sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you pull it off and you'll see stuff like it sucks it out for you. It's kind of gross, but it's kind of cool because it eliminates a lot of the trouble and the hassle, the pain, all of that. It cuts it down dramatically, and it just is all around. It's an amazing product. So here are, if you can see them, it looks like there's two different sizes down in there. This side there are 9 smaller ones, and this side there are 9 larger ones. So they're side by side, 2 different sizes. So if they're smaller or larger, there's some companies that even sell like big patches. So if you have like a big area on your forehead or your cheek area where you want to just do a whole lot at one time, you can do that as well. But I definitely love using these, and they work amazing. So there's that. Now we have is a product by Saturday Skin. That's an amazing brand. I've used a few different products from them, and I really do enjoy it. Let's see what this is. Looks like it says something with vitamin C. A vitamin C sleeping mask. Ooh, that's a cute package. You can see that it's like, can you see the little part in the middle? And then there's like extra plastic that goes around. So it's cool that you can kind of see into the little container inside. That's different. And then you do have a little scooper outer on the top, so you can use that to scoop your stuff out. Oh, and this is neat. They have a nice little cool little pull tab. Some are really hard to get to, some are not. Ooh, it's chunky. There's actually pieces in here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's like little, can you see that on the tip of my finger? There's like these little orange pieces. So with this one right here, you just put it on your face and you go to sleep. In the morning, you don't need to do anything at all, but it says to use 3 to 5 times a week. So it's not intended for everyday use, a few times a week, every other day, that kind of thing. So there's that product. I'm really excited to try that out, especially with all those little particles inside there. That's interesting to have it, you know, to use it, because as you put it on your face, those particles are probably going to break up and give you some really good moisture, and there's vitamin C, so that's good for our skin. I'm excited about that. Next we have is a Miracle Seed Essence. So let's get this out. Ooh, little seeds, happy results, it says. So that's what it looks like out of the packaging. It is a nice glass bottle. Something really neat, it has on the back year, month, and day that's on the label. You're not going to really be able to see it, but if you took like a pen or a marker, you can write the day you open this, so then you know the longevity, like how long, because it says 12 months on it. So it's really neat that there's a space on there to write the day that you open it, so you know how long it is, especially if you're like me and you have so many products open all the time. It's hard to keep up. So that's really neat that they do come up with that. And it says Lotus Seed Activator. So after cleansing and toning, you can just apply this over your face. And yeah, I love that. I love essence, toners, any type of, I love skincare, any type of any type of face skincare products, I'm pretty much all for. So now we have, it says a water splash sun cream, SPF 50 plus, PA plus plus plus. And I always tell you guys, especially here in Florida, we are in the sunshine state. The sun shines almost every day. There's like a few days out of the entire year where it doesn't. But other than that, sunscreen is something that I definitely love to have. If I ever forget to put it on, if I think, oh, I'm just going to run outside really quick, or, oh, it's overcast. That's even the worst time. You know, it always seems like I'm just like, oh, it's just going to be really quick. I end up getting really burned. So I love having these all over the place because I need to keep remembering to put it on, even if I'm only out there for 5 minutes, because every protection we have is good. So here is this. I think the container is super, super cute. And yeah, it's a good size. And then you just squeeze it out. That's what it looks like right there. So this is a great size even to drop down like in your sport bag, your purse, your car. So wherever you are, you have sunscreen. And again, it's a nice size. Ooh, but it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, it has like a pure, like a pure, not a pure. It has like a perfumey kind of scent to it. It smells really good. I've never had a sun cream product that smelled this good before. Ooh, that smells super, super good. It says it's a 60 ml, a fresh, hydrating sun cream that guards skin against sun damaged and environmental aggressors. And I can't believe how good it smells. That smells so good. So now we have a 30-day Miracle Tea Tree Clear Spot Oil. Ooh, I love getting any tea tree products because it's really good when you have blemishes, and it helps kind of like, you know, knock them out quicker. I feel it does anyway. If it's in my head or not, I like having them for that reason. So let's get this little guy out. I love the bottle too. So that's what it looks like. How to use. As your final skincare step, soak a cotton swab with the oil and apply it to the problematic spot. So after you are completely done doing whatever you're going to do on your face, then you just take a little bit of this and put it on the spot that you would like. And that's it. Simple and easy. Now we have, it says green tea seed serum. I love me some serum, so I'm all for this guy. It says that it is a daily moisture barrier strengthening serum formulated with green tea tribiotics that help to care dehydrated, pH unbalanced skin due to loss of hydration every day by moisturizing, soothing, and nourishing for healthy looking complexion. How to use. Apply an appropriate amount onto thoroughly cleansed skin and neck. Then gently smooth for better absorption. So you put it on like any normal serum, but this one helps with definitely moisturizing your face. So that's neat. Ooh, and that's a pretty bottle too. So you have that serum right there. So after cleansing and toning, apply it all over and you'll get some moisture. Green tea tribiotics. That's cool. I haven't tried anything like that, so I'm super excited to test that one out. And this product, I'm actually really, really loving this brand. This is the Skin 1004, and it is the Madagascar Centella. They have like so many different products like this. There's one big, large oil like bottle that I tell you guys that I love putting on my face. So whenever I see this brand, I get excited because now I get to try more out from them. So this right here says it's a light cleansing oil. Ooh, I have not tried a cleansing oil from this brand, so I'm excited about that. That's what it looks like. So you probably just, like any normal cleansing, apply it on a dry face with your dry hands, put it all over, and then wash it off with warm water. This cleansing oil contains centella extract from Madagascar and a blend of hypoallergenic plant-derived oil to gently remove impurities and stubborn makeup. The lightweight, watery formula cleanses the skin, leaving it refreshed. How to use. Apply a few pumps. Maybe the bigger one is a pump container. This one, you maybe just apply a few drops. Apply a few pumps of cleansing oil onto dry face with dry hands. Gently massage in circular motions to dissolve makeup and debris. Add a little water and continue massaging, and then rinse off with plenty of lukewarm water. So yes, exactly like I thought, just like a normal cleansing oil. And now we have is an AHA BHA Refreshing Solution by Porito. I love this brand too. I'm like finding so many amazing brands through STYLEVANA. Like they literally have everything you can possibly imagine, K-Beauty and J-Beauty. And I tell you guys that because that's true. They have it. So here's this guy right here. Suggested usage. Swipe gently across the cleansed face, avoiding the eye area with a cotton pad or hands, and then gently press into fully absorbed. Do not rinse. For daytime use, follow with a broad spectrum sunscreen related SPF 30 or higher, fragrance free. So I think this is kind of like a toner. Soothe and refresh. It's a refreshing solution. So after cleansing, you tone and then do whatever you would like, but that's cool. AHA and BHA. All right, you guys, so there's a few more products. We have this guy right here, and it says Stretch Mark Safe Cream. So a cream for them stretch marks. Those are tiger stripes. So this is from Dermab, and it's a 10 non-added formula, and it says Stretch Mark Safe Cream. And right here it says directions. Gently apply onto skin and massage the entire body, including the abdomen, thighs, breasts, and buttocks. So you can put this all over your entire body, wherever you have stretch marks, that hopefully it will help. That's neat. I will definitely try that. I'm a big girl, so you know I got some. So I will definitely try that out. That's really interesting for stretch marks. If it doesn't take them away, it would be good if it just helps you not get more too. So there's that. Now we have is this box, and it says that it is a dark spot serum, blemish, and then there's 2 free gifts that I guess come inside this set. So it's like a 3-for-1 price. That's neat. Let's get this open and see what we have going on. So there's that. And those 2 free gifts are actually bigger sizes than some things that I've seen go around in subscription boxes. But it says green system containing vitamin tree water. Ooh. So this is what this looks like. And it says it's a 30 ml dark spot serum. It doesn't say anything in English, but I'm assuming it's just like anything. You just put it on the spots that you would like. And then the 2 little gifts here that we got, it says dark spot serum and dark spot serum. Oh, these are the same. Yep, these are both the same, which this is a dark spot serum as well. So I guess you can have 2 little travel sizes, or you can share with somebody if you would like, or I'm not sure why you need 3 of the same product, but you do get 3 of them. I mean, these 2 are free for the price of this one, so that's cool. At least you do have them if you wanted to put these like in a different area, like one in the bathroom, one in your vanity area, or you wanted to share these with somebody. That would be a neat thing too, but you have 3 of the same product. Okay, so lastly is this big box here, and I'm super intrigued on what this is. It says exclusive body care, 3-in-1 body wash and electric brush. 3-in-1 an electric brush. That's, I guess they're, let's get this open. What is this? So it comes in just like an all white box. There is a brush inside, and there's actually a body wash. Okay, so this says Heart Leaf Acne Zone 3-in-1 body wash, 80% natural origin, pH 5.5. That's a good size too. And I love me some body washes, and that's one thing we really don't get a whole lot of. So I love when I get that. Am I breaking it? You have a, is this like a reach around? You got a reach around? What in the world? So there's this little plastic right here that you can just remove, you know, while they nicely cover shiny, shiny stuff. But yeah, this is how far it goes. So you have an extended cord. You can get, this is a body. So this is like those facial massagers, but it's for your entire body. Oh my, I'm super excited. I absolutely love my facial one. It makes my face feel so soft. Now I can use this for my entire body. Oh, watch out. Watch out now. You are, I'm not going to bring you in the shower with me when I use this, but I'll probably use this like on my face, my neck, maybe my arms, however I can get you to see me using it in, you know, but I'm not going to take you in the shower with me. You are very welcome. You are very welcome. But this is super neat. So you can use it on your face, your chest, your arms, wherever. When you want to get to your back, you can whoop-de-woo. And that's really, really neat because I've noticed after I've been using my little facial one, it does help a lot with acne. I do not get nearly as much as I used to. And I know a lot of trouble spots with acne is like on your lower, your shoulders, your shoulder area, your high back. I almost said lower back, your higher back. So that would be really neat because if you do have acne there, you can use this and you can break everything up, open up your pores a little bit more, and clean everything very well. So it might help with that too. That is really neat. I'm excited. And it's already turned on. Almost scared the shit out of me, but it's already, you hear? It already has power. And you can, oh, I'm gonna love, ooh, you're coming with me in the shower tonight. For my body. Nowhere else. Well, that is part of my body, but you know. There's this little thing here. Maybe this is the cord to charge it. But I'm really, really, really excited to use this all over my body. So I have my face one, which this one you can use for the face too. So if you were ever trying to think you wanted to get a face one, then maybe this would be the one and you can use it for your entire body, not just your face. And I like the little extended handle. So yes, down inside the box is the little charger. So you have this to charge it, but it already comes charged. I'm super excited. I'm super excited about this to use on my entire body. Just because I know the huge benefits and the change that my face has had with using one of these on my face. So I'm really, really excited now to venture on to all my other areas. I got enough of them. So you're going to get to work. You're going to get to work. What are you, my microphone now? I don't know. I was just talking into it. Oh my gosh, I'm super, super excited. So that is all of my January products, you guys. So that is everything that they had sent for January's products. I'm super, super glad that they sent me all these products to use, to show you guys. I love finding new products, new brands, just new things in general. Even if it's products that I've used before, that is awesome because I just love everything that I have received from them. So they will definitely be linked down below. You can definitely go check them out. INF10 SheCrafty will get you 10 to 15% off, depending on how much is accumulated in your cart. But it's at least 10% and it'll go up to 15 if you go over a certain amount, and everything will be linked down below. All of the products that I have here, every single one individually will be linked down below, and their main website. You can definitely go and check out anything you would like, but they do have everything you need. K-Beauty and J-Beauty, and they do the damn thing. So if you did have your eye on something, you can always check back and see what new and exciting deals that they have, because they change their deals all the time and they just have amazing sales all the time on different products. So you can always check back and see what sales they got going on. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, have you purchased anything from STYLEVANA? Do you want to? Do you have your eye on some things? Do you have a cart built up and you're just waiting to pull the trigger? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.